What's up? Today I'm showing you how to fold a dress shirt for travel the most wrinkle-free way possible. In fact, this is my favorite way and the way that I used last week when traveling for a wedding. This is the real deal. Let's dive right into it. Start by flicking out any of the wrinkles and lay your shirt face down on a flat, smooth surface. Now once you have it face down, you're just gonna wanna pull out the edges and smooth it out as much as possible. This will minimize the amount of wrinkles that show up later. If you're noticing a lot of wrinkles when you are doing this fold, go back to the basics and make sure it is as smooth as possible at this stage. Once you have a smooth shirt laid out, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is to fold the shirt into thirds, right outside of where the collar is. I just drew some lines to help you visualize where this is gonna go. Keeping everything as smooth as possible, you're going to fold over your first third. Remember, stopping at the collar. That's as far as you want to go. Take another moment to smooth everything out. Once you have that fold done and smoothed completely out, you're ready for the next step. Take your sleeve, fold it about where the armpit is, then grab the sleeve again. You're going to fold it downward, almost like a little elbow crease. The main thing you want to watch out for is keeping the sleeve within the parameters of the fold. Treat this as if it's a border. You don't want to go beyond that. For some shirts, I have to actually fold it upward like this. However, as you see with this one, it pokes out beyond that border, so you don't want to leave that flap out here. For this case, just fold it down, just like so. Again, remember to smooth everything out throughout this entire process. You want it to be as smooth and as neat as possible. Now, do the exact same thing on the other side. Fold the shirt over into thirds, right outside of the collar of the shirt. Same thing as before. Fold the sleeve backwards at a slight angle, following the shape of the sleeve, and then fold it either down or up depending on the shirt that you have. There we go. And you're ready for one of the last steps now. Start from the bottom first. You're gonna fold loose folds, like so. Just keep it nice and neat. Fold up over the sleeve. I usually like to fold it about the width of the sleeve so that when I get to the sleeve, I can just roll it right on top. Soft fold, continuing through the process to smooth out any wrinkles that you might find. Again, another fold, smoothing out your wrinkles. Once you get to the top, leave the collar out. This is the last fold. Flip it over. Now your shirt is gently folded, but you'll notice that the collar is still a little bit unprotected. Now that could get crumpled or disrupted during travel. What you're gonna wanna do is take a belt, which you're probably gonna need anyways if you're using a dress shirt. Use the belt that you have to preserve the shape of the collar. That's a little bonus tip for you guys who are watching.
Subscribe for more travel and adventure tips.